Some businesses print cash. Others constantly need money poured back into them just to stay alive. That difference comes down to one thing: capital expenditures, or CapEx. How much money the business has to reinvest just to keep going. CapEx stands for capital expenditures. Just keep it simple. It's money spent on long-term assets used to run the business. Things like equipment, factories, buildings, technology, infrastructure, stuff the company expects to use for years. Like say a trucking company buys new trucks, that's CapEx. If an airline buys planes, that's CapEx. If a tech company builds data centers, for AI, that's CapEx. Some businesses need constant reinvestment just to stay alive. Machines run out, technology becomes obsolete, infrastructure gets older and ages. So even if the company is profitable, a huge amount of cash may be needed to go right back into the business to keep it running. This is why free cash flow matters so much. Remember, free cash flow equals the cash from operations minus the CapEx. So the more money a company has to spend on CapEx, the less free cash flow it keeps. A company can look credible on paper, revenue growing, profits growing, but if it constantly needs massive reinvestment, it may not actually generate much usable cash. Think about utilities, right? They constantly need power lines, infrastructure, maintenance, equipment upgrades. That's heavy CapEx. Now compare that to a software company. A software company can often scale with far less physical reinvestment. That's one reason many software businesses produce enormous free cash flow. And now you can see why companies like Alphabet spend billions building AI infrastructure and data centers. That's CapEx. The difference is Google generates enough free cash flow to afford it. Other companies might not be able to do that and to keep up. Remember, not all CapEx is bad. Some expands a business, increases efficiency, creates future growth. That's productive investment. But some businesses are forced to spend constantly just to maintain what they already have. That's a very different situation. So remember, some CapEx is like maintenance CapEx. Other CapEx is growth CapEx, meaning that we expanding capacity, opening new facilities, investing in future growth, which is at data centers and stuff. This is why smart investors don't just ask, is the company profitable? They ask, how much cash does the company have to reinvest just to keep going? So now we're building a framework. Okay, here we go. Free cash flow tells you what cash is left. ROIC tells you how efficiently capital is being used. CapEx helps explain why some businesses generate tons of cash while others are constantly consuming it. Some businesses are cash machines. Others are cash furnaces. They burn it up. And CapEx is usually the reason why that happens. So the next video, I'm going to do maintenance CapEx versus growth. Because again, not all reinvestment means the same thing. Let's fucking go, baby.